Good morning, Vietnam! I did a thing. That's the old one. We gotta put on the paint, doesn't she? Shoo! Alright, we're gonna go tow a Volvo today. So, we'll see you when we're up there. Made it. So we are doing another dual POV on this one. Mr. Thermos has the other camera. So this thing clobbered an elk. We're gonna have to strap the hood. Damn. Someone came and picked up the elk because it was just sitting over there. And he mushed it. Alright. So I did some things over the weekend. Hopefully make my life a little bit easier. Obviously you saw the bumper. That was just for funsies. Make sure my controls turned on. I'll show you what I did. Got my power pal working. At least I thought I did. Alright. Got my power pal working. So now I can stand here and put this down. Alright. Let's get back under her. So he's kind of sitting off the road a little bit, which sucks. I wish they wouldn't do this, but it makes things uneven, but we'll make her work because it's kind of literally a friggin' jobs. To adjust this pig over. So I got a cute little arm brace right now because I tore a tendon in my stupid little girl arm, which sucks, but it happens. Happens with them big jobs, boy. Alright. Now that she's ours, These are, I don't remember what these are called. Basically. Huh?
You're the tow truck, man. You're supposed to remember.
I know. These go down the axle. I think they're called a grip all. So they go down there, okay? And then this bit goes on the frame. It's supposed to go on the frame there. And then use the ends here. Just go like that. Oh, look at this. This is Utah. Spanish Fork Canyon, Utah. Got it? All right. That. Sure off everything. Looks beautiful to me. Height's good. All right, we'll strap her down and we gotta strap the steering wheel. We gotta make sure this hood ain't gonna fly up, which it's most certainly gonna. Ow, that's my pinky! Let's strap the steering wheel. We have to have Paul meet up with us with a strap for the hood. All right, now we got to strap the axle, throw some safety chains, drag lights, and we're out of here. So we'll do these first.
If you say so.
But we'll make her work. Just won't be able to use my protective strap on this one. Which is fine. There shouldn't be anything in there that's gonna cause us any grief. Beautiful. And then where's old blue? Big old blue maybe on the other side. No, old blue ain't over here neither. There's old blue. Throw that bungee cord on these chains here, and we'll do drag lights. We're out of here. Gotta figure out where we're gonna put these on the front with it being all messed up.
This.
try it. No, I'm not gonna go there.
Slower, you alright? Why'd you break it?
So I'm gonna break it. I'll go down, around. There it is. Down, around, and under Sam. Then we're gonna go to the bottom one there. Ouch! Pig!
Get your hand down.
Okay. That should be good there. And then battery action.
Is it a charged battery?
Charged enough, baby.
Alright.
Alright, let's head up to Salt Lake now. Shoo! Oh.
Straps are tight. Safety chains on.
The
That's on. Don't need air for this one.
axle chain, steering wheel tied. Oh, let's check these fairings. Fairings should be good. This one might be.
Is that just the fuel one? Oh no, that fairing's busted.
Let's see if I can find a bungee for that. Did you find one? All right, next stop, Salt Lake City, Utah. It's about an hour and 20 minutes. Well, where we're going is probably about an hour and 30 minutes. We're going to West Valley. We're going to the Volvo dealer. So that's where we're headed now. And we will see you beautiful people there. We made her. So I guess dealer's closed today. I mean, it makes sense, it's Memorial Day, but still thought they would at least have their gates open, but then I remember it's Salt Lake County. We're in West Valley, so I put it off on the side here, just about as close as I can get it. With it being off the road, so we're good there. Hood stayed, which is a good thing. Light bar stayed, which is an even better thing. So we'll leave that strap on there so they can fiddle fart with that thing, and take my light bar, take my straps.
We're gonna go get our bungee cord before we forget it.
Yep, go get the bungee cord so we don't forget the bungee cord.
Bungee cord reclaimed.
All right, so now we just do everything we did, but in reverse now. this is undoing the axle straps now. There it goes. Set her on down. Be on our merry way. You are on fire, desire. All right. Axle straps are off. Now, hello, Janine. Yeah, the power pedal remotes are cool and all, but yeah, they kind of suck. I ain't gonna lie to you. Up goes Daisy. All right. I'll make sure we're all the way up, all the way in, all the way down. All right. Just like that. We're offloaded.
We got our light bar, our straps, axle straps, the bungee cord holding the fairing on. Should got everything now.
That's how you tow a Volvo from behind. Hope you learned something. Did you learn something?
Always.
Yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, like it. See more of me, maybe see more of him. If you don't like it, don't like it. I don't care. It just makes me sad. Subscribe. It's free. Right? I don't charge you nothing to subscribe. So do it.
You just charge for the toes.
I just charge for the toes. Alrighty. Catch you in the next one.